The rotary hook, located under the needle plate, is one of the most important areas for daily care. It works twice as hard as any other moving part. Remove the bobbin case to clean out any debris around the hook and to oil it. Tweezers can be helpful to dislodge threads that may have accumulated over the course of the day. Canned air is also a very good idea to blow out any lint that will likely build up as your machine works. Finally, the hard-working rotary hook should receive 2 drops of oil, preferably right at the V-groove as shown. It's a good idea to leave the bobbin case out immediately after oiling the rotary hook. Oil in your bobbin can result in unwanted thread breaks.